Bagong cafe sa Baguio na tumitrending ngayon at talagang pinipilahan. Abay, look at that ambience kasi. This view of the sunset, the city lights sa gabi. Tapos, nagchichillax ka lang habang umiinom ng cocktails or coffee at nakikipagkwentuhan sa rooftop vibes ng cafe na to. Nasa sentro lang siya ng Baguio, malapit sa Session Road. Kaya perfect for your chillax moments, barkadahan, date night, o kaya solo drinking habang iniisip mo kung bakit ikaw na naman ang nag-a-adjust sa relationship na hindi naman pala kayo. This is the Huddle Rooftop Cafe located dito sa rooftop ng G1 Lodge along Leonard Wood Road, just 100 meters away from the famous giant Christmas tree dito sa Session Road. Here is their menu for your reference. Naka-soft opening pa pala sila kaya ito muna ang in-offer nila. Pero once na mag-grand opening, madadagdagan pa raw ang kanilang menu. Bale, I came here only to chillax kaya I ordered the Bonifacio rum. This one is historic kasi it's the country's first pure pot distilled rum daw, made entirely from local molasses. Meron itong 46% alcohol by volume or 92 proof. It was good naman. Perfect sa barkada mong uutusan ka pang i-chat ang ex niya nang sabihin mo umiyak ako. Like me, hindi ako messenger. Ito ang skewers naman ang pinulutan ko. I ordered 3 pieces at may options ka kung chicken or pork. It was good naman. Perfect sa barkada mong nag-move on ko no. Pero pag lasing na, ipapastock sa'yo yung ex lol. Ang cafe ay open every day from 3 o'clock p.m. to 11 o'clock p.m. In process pa raw ang kanilang wifi connection. Pero malakas naman ang data dito. May parking space din ng building. Feel free na pumasok sa building at dumiretso lang sa receiving area ng G1 Lodge. Very accommodating naman ang kanilang receiving staff. Since medyo marami ang nagda-dine-in dito, minsan kailangan muna maghintay sa kanilang lobby hanggang magkaroon ng vacant table. Pero mabilis lang naman ang pila. In my case, I waited for around 5 minutes. Mas matagal pa yung paghihintay mong magbago siya. Charis. Nasa rooftop ang cafe, after pa siya ng 10th floor. Pero don't worry dahil may elevator naman. Kasi hindi natin kayang umakyat ang 10 floors. Sapat ng uphill battle ang love life natin. Charis. So if you're looking for a new place to chill, enjoy the sunset, watch the city lights, have some coffee or cocktails, at makipagkwentuhan with your friends, you might want to check out the Huddle Rooftop Cafe.